Are your bedroom walls looking plain and lifeless? What if I told you that with just a few creative touches, you can transform them into the highlight of your room without spending a fortune? Welcome back. In this video, I'll share practical bedroom wall decoration tips that are easy to try, budget-friendly, and instantly make your space feel more stylish and personal. Whether you rent or own your home, these ideas will work for you. Practical suggestions and tools explanation. 1. Wall art and frames. Adding framed artwork or photos is the simplest way to decorate your walls. You don't need expensive art pieces, print your favorite quotes or pictures at home, and use affordable frames from local stores. A set of 3 to 4 frames can cost under $20 and completely change the look of your room. 2. Floating shelves. Floating shelves are not just decorative, but also practical. You can place books, plants, or small decor items on them. Installing them only requires basic tools like a drill and screws, and you can find ready-made shelves for as little as $10 each. 3. Wall stickers or decals. If you want something quick and mess-free, wall stickers or decals are perfect. They come in countless designs: floral, geometric, or inspirational quotes, and they peel off easily without damaging the paint. Most sets cost around $5 to $15. 4. Accent wall with paint or wallpaper. Painting one wall in a bold color or using peel and stick wallpaper instantly adds character to your bedroom. You'll only need paint, rollers, or adhesive wallpaper. Depending on the size of your wall, this can cost $30 to $50, but the impact is huge. 5. DIY string lights and photos. For a cozy touch, hang string lights and clip on small printed photos. All you need are fairy lights, clips, and prints, which cost less than $15. This idea is both personal and stylish. Quick tips: choose lighter colors and simple designs if your room is small, as it makes the space feel bigger. Use removable options like decals and peel-off wallpaper if you live in a rental. Mix textures, combine frames, shelves, and lights for a balanced look. Cost comparison for clarity. Think about it this way: spending just $50 to $100 on frames, shelves, and a few decorative items can give your bedroom the same charm you get from expensive interior styling that could easily cost $500 or more. With these hacks, you get a designer look on a budget. And that's it: simple and affordable bedroom wall decoration tips that make your room feel warm, stylish, and uniquely yours. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment below with your favorite tip, and share this video with your friends.